Auto Creation. This here is the home screen of the software. Now let's design some articles so that we can have an idea of the workflow of the software. Now in DM Express we can design articles such as a CD top, the DM pages of various sizes, CD covers, CD inlays, etc. Well, let's just start now. Here few title fields are provided which can be filled to get on the articles, like the name of the boy and girl. So in the design, wherever the name fields are available, this name will be displayed over there. Here define the date of the event. Now define the venue where the event had taken place. Also define the type of the event, say wedding or anniversary. Now let's select the photos which we need to insert in the design. Here 8 different types of photos can be selected. You can select them one by one. Here a sample preview has been provided for which type of image is supposed to be assigned there. First select the JPG of the boy's solo image. Click on this add sign and by browsing through the folders, select the image. The next image is the boy's cutout image. The image can be added in any of the two ways. Either click on the add button and by browsing add the image which is already lasso cut, or if you don't have a lasso cut image, select the JPG image. Now click on the edit option and choose the lasso option. Now the lasso window will open up. Select the lasso tool from here. Now click on the place to start cutting. To work in detail, zoom in the image. Use the zoom in button. Now keep drawing the path, and if you draw an incorrect path, you can go back by right-clicking on the mouse key. To zoom out and see a full screen view of the image, click on the Fit to Screen button. Now once you finish the path defining, see the changes by clicking on the After button. Click on the Save button to save the changes. Now when you click on the Save button, you get 4 options. Now these options ask you for where you want to set the image. As we want to set this image as a boy's cutout, we will select the boy cutout option. The image will appear on the boy cutout place. Now in the same way, you can assign all the images you want in the respective places. Now if you want to clear all the defined data, including the title field and the photo fields, and want to define all the data again, you can use the Clear button to clear all the data. Now if you want to continue the work on the current project, you can proceed with the Next button, or else you can save the project with the photos and can continue the work at a later time. Now let's save the project with the Save button. Give the project a name and save the project. The saved project will appear in the project list here. Whenever you want to design the project, select the project from the project list and click on the Next button. Here you will see 3 designing styles. Now each style offers you different features. The Ready style has some theme-based ready sets of articles. It saves you article selection and designing time. Auto style gives you freedom of design selection. You may have many ready design options to choose from. The Manual style gives you freedom to design each article in your own way. Here, the Auto style is selected. Now you can see here ready templates. From the Style drop-down menu, choose the style of article you want to design. Here, the page panoramic is selected. All the designs for the selected style will be displayed, and you can further filter designs according to the available filters. Now we will select the desired template by just double-clicking on it. Now once you select any template, here you will get a preview of the selected template with the chosen photos. Now in the same way, more designs can be selected. If any design is unwanted, you can delete it from the current project. Select the template in the preview panel and remove it with the Remove button. You can also choose some other articles. From the Style drop-down menu, the CD top has been selected. Here you can see all the available templates of CD top. Select the CD top design you want from the available options. To design the CD inlay, open the drop-down menu style. Here, for inlays, we have 2 options. Select the one according to your need. Now, select the design for it. Of all the articles you have selected, you can see a preview here. Once the design selection is finished, click on the Next button, and you will see all the designs are ready to print with the selected photos on it. Here, with the help of the navigator, you can browse the pages. You can see here the titles defined by you appeared on the pages. Now say if you want to change a title, here a title editing panel has been provided. You can change this wedding title to make it Weds. As you type here Weds, you will see the title on the design is also changing. Now when you change any title, it changes on all the articles. Like here, Wedding is changed to Weds. And you can see in the next design, also the wedding will be replaced by Weds. Now in the same way, you can change the title and automatically update it on all the designs. It avoids spelling mistakes and saves individual title changing time. Similarly, you can change photos as well. Like here, if this photo needs to be replaced with another photo, then here a photo panel is provided. Here an add icon is provided. Click on the icon by browsing and select the new photo you want to add. Now when you select the new photo, it will appear in the photo panel and also in the design. The photo will get updated in all the designs wherever it's appearing. Here a CD top design is selected for preview. Suppose you want two CD top designs for part 1 and part 2. Then it can be added here. Here, as the current CD top is for part 1, we will add a title here from the title tab. Type the title as part 1. You can manage the front and the size from the given drop-down menu. Also manage the alignment, styles and color of the title. Now we will add another design for part 2. Now here from the project name tab, you can add new designs. Just click on the add button and you'll see different sizes of the article. Here select the CD top option, as here we are adding the CD top design. You can add any article too if needed. Here a page of the CD top will be added. Open the page by just double clicking on it. To insert designs, go on to the template tab. From the drop down menu here, select the CD top option, as we need to add the CD top design. All the designs for the CD top will be displayed here. Just select the desired design by double clicking on it. The design will be added with the defined photos. Now to add part 2 on this design, copy part 1 from the old design by pressing Ctrl and C and paste it here by pressing Ctrl and V. Now this saves you time for applying effects like font types, sizes, etc. Now as this is the CD top design of part 2, we'll need to edit the title and the design will be ready. Select the title and go on to the title tab. You will see the title tab is already appearing in white space. Edit the same. Now manage the placement if needed. And in this way, the design is now ready. Now in this way, your project is ready. Save the project with the Save button. If you have the project saved earlier, the given project name will appear in the text box. To replace the original project with the current one, keep the project name the same and save the project. Or else, define a new project name. Save the project by clicking on the OK button. Now if you haven't changed the project's name, the software will ask you if you want to replace the project with the current project. Click on Yes to replace the project. Now to get the designs in the printable format, click on the Next button. Now designs like CD tops which need transparency while printing can be exported in a PNG format. Deselect all designs which you do not want to export as PNG and keep the CD top design selected. Now give the project a name and define the saving path. Click on OK to generate the PNG and the PNG file will be generated. You can view them by clicking on the Open button. Similarly, to get a JPG output of the article, select them and click on the JPG option. Give it a name, define the saving path, also define the color profile of the printer if any. Select any one option from Optimize Quality. Optimize Quality option is better for printing, or Optimize File Size is better for sending through emails. Generate the JPG by clicking on the OK button, and the JPG will be generated. View the JPG by clicking on the Open button. Generate PSD files. Just click on the PSD icon. A window will appear. Give your project a name and define the saving path. The pages will be saved in the PSD format. You can view the pages in the Open button.